Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your system. Export the config and create snapshots for VMs and apps so you can revert if needed. Next, put services into maintenance mode, stop or pause apps, and verify pool health and smart values. This prevents mid-update failures. Once done, confirm the desired update train and download the update through the UI or CLI. Apply the update to the inactive boot environment so you can reboot safely into the new version. You now install the update into the inactive boot environment and watch the install progress closely. Open the update task log and the system journal to spot errors early. While the installer runs, verify no background scrubs or resilvering are active. Wait for them to finish if present. Once installation completes, run post-install checks via SSH for services and datasets. Make sure Serial Console or IPME is reachable. Reboot into the updated boot environment and verify the reported version. Then confirm that system services, SMB/NFS/iSCSI shares, and virtual machines come back online. Re-enable app services one at a time and test functionality to catch regressions. Finally, run a quick pool scrub and smart tests. If the system fails to boot or services break, use the boot menu to select the prior environment and restore from the snapshots you made. This rollback is the fastest way to recover production.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.